Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. It is your boy Bernard and I'm back. I really didn't get to start season 6. I've played in a quick game this morning and I really was so excited that I didn't get the chance to actually let you guys see the game and play the quick game. I want to make it a really long game for you guys, so let's go ahead. And if you guys do not know this is currently the season 6 Fortnite Battle Royale that just came out this morning today. So I'm really excited for today. And yeah, let's go ahead and play some game. Just look at this trailer for you guys. Let's go, guys. Let's put the volume up a little. I just this Ghost Trooper. Darkness rises. Dun dun dun. And that's all. Well, let's go ahead and play some Fortnite, shall we? Let's see the new battle pass. There you go. Spider webs. Oh, geez, let's see what this one is. Battle bus. Oh, okay. What's this? What is this? Okay. Well, I just started playing, so you know what? It's so I can't look at this. I have to go like down there. So let's go back to this and start it. I'll see you guys right when we get back to it. Okay guys, so this still didn't work. I tried like 40 times. I've tried 40 times and it still didn't work. I guess we gotta use it like this then. Well, this is I think gonna be amazing. Why do you need the battle pass for that? Picnic. So let's see the last thing you get. The last thing you get is game. Oh, what's the last thing you get on there? Oh, you get that. 1 out of 6. 2 out of 6. 3 out of 6. 4 out of 6. 5 out of 6. 6 out of 6. Knew it. It's a black figure bear. Invite. I'm gonna send an invite to my friend. I want to shoot my cousin instead. You know what? I don't care. Let's go. Solo. I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo. Solo. Clap your hands. Fake it. I don't care at all. Well, let's go. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, syrup is all around me. I ate some syrup and pancake. Right here. I'm gonna just eat some leftovers. Oh. We're good. Put on my keyboard. Just let you know I play on a PC. Well, yeah, you guys already know. We're definitely gonna go to this side right now. I want to get a quick and good review on here. Is this a glitch? This is a glitch. This is a glitch. That's a glitch. What? Dude, that didn't happen to him. How did that happen? This is just so... Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna go loot like this time. I'm going... Let's get this going. Who's online only? Racer Guy and Red the King 12. Red the King 12, my cousin. What kind of name is that? I'm gonna go 50v50. Soaring 50, actually, not 50v50, soaring 50s. Okay, so if you guys do not know this, this is an actual and best platform that you can play on Fortnite, and it's PC. The controllers are so simple, and simple. Just kidding, that's the same thing. I put my hands in it. I'm cold. Gotta wait until this game works. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, let's go ahead and play this game. Still. Alibaya. This guy already has this. Hey, fatty. What you talking to me? Huh? What you talking? Go to the house. Well, yeah. So many people want to go to Loot Lake since there's a whole bunch of different ones. Season 6. Day 3 hollow. Yeah, we're gonna go really far out. Is it around Dusty David? Yep. Lit. I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo. Is this like a volcano? I think it is. I get the good guns. This is legendary in here. I'm not taking any more. Let's get enough. Let's take this love juice first. Forgot. That's a lot. Let's see if this just gets 900. Wow, this game's getting easier now. Just by one rock like that. That's just... What is that? E comes here. What? One. Somebody could be up right there, but that doesn't hit it. Somebody's already in Dusty did it. Pleasant Park? Dude, why the heck are you there in Pleasant Park? Hey, what's the hype? Yeah, Pleasant Park. Dude, why are you all the way there? Let's get ready, boys. Oh, gosh. Didn't even need that. Let's take some big movies. God. Well, there's really nothing I can do now. Let's exit out. What do I say except you're welcome? Oh, Jesus. You know, I'm gonna go to the instead. Yeah, this way is an epic fail. There's a secret layer. Never mind, there's no secret layer. No, I thought that was someone else. Every time I say that's someone else when I think they are someone else. I think makes sense actually. Somebody I need to kill. Kill is my favorite thing. Gotta go east now. How about if I go north? Straight north. Bro, you dead all the way there. Who's killing him? Yep, someone definitely killed him. Or I think he was like that the entire time. Yep, knew it. Someone right there. The Reaper. Why? Oh gosh. That's just a fail. Epic fail. Ah, gosh. I hate when this happens. Well, if you enjoy this game, please give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys all next time. Peace out and have a great day. Bye.